हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। फार्मेसी के वन लाइनर क्वेश्चन आंसर चाहिए जुरिस्प्रूडेंस के। ये क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपके सभी फार्मेसी एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाले हैं, तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें। व्हाट डज शेड्यूल एच ड्रग लेबल रिक्वायर? आंसर होगा द स्टेटमेंट टू बी सोल्ड बाय रिटेल ऑन द प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस ऑफ ए रजिस्टर्ड मेडिसिनल प्रैक्टिशनर ओनली। Question number first. What does Schedule H drug label require? Answer is the statement to be sold by retail on the prescriptions of a registered medical practitioner only. Next question. Who regulate clinical trial in India? Center Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) and Drug Control General of India (DCGI). Who regulate clinical trial in India? Center Drug Standard Control Organization and Drug Controller General of India. Next question. What is the main objective of the Pharmacy Act 1948? To regulate the profession of pharmacy and ensure only qualified pharmacists are registered. What is the main objective of the Pharmacy Act 1948? To regulate the profession of pharmacy and ensure only qualified pharmacists are registered. What does Schedule V of the Drug and Cosmetic Act prescribe? It prescribes standard for patent medicine. What is the main objective of the Pharmacy Act 1948? To regulate profession of pharmacy and ensure only qualified pharmacists are registered. What does Schedule V of the Drug and Cosmetic Act prescribe? It prescribes standard for patent medicine. What is the function of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission? IPC. It sets quality standard for drug in India. What is the duration of imprisonment for the violations under the NDPS Act? Up to 20 years depending on the severity of the offence. What does Schedule R of the Drug and Cosmetic Act regulate? It governs the standard for condoms. Next question. Who can issue a prescription for Schedule H drug? A registered medical practitioner. What is the purpose of the Factories Act 1948 in pharmaceutical? Answer is to ensure the safety, health and welfare of worker in drug manufacturing unit. Which law regulate the labeling and packaging of drug in India? Answer is Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Next question. What is Schedule X of the Drug and Cosmetic Act? Answer is it include drugs that are habit forming and require statement control. Next question. What is the required under Schedule H1 labeling? Answer is a red box warning with the symbol RX and the word Schedule H1 drug warning to be sold by retail on the prescriptions of a registered medical practitioner only. What is the significance of Schedule G drug? They require cautions and specific labeling for safe uses. Next, which act control the advertisement of drug and cosmetic? The Drug and Magic Remedies Act 1954. What is the minimum qualification required to become a registered pharmacist in India? Diploma in Pharmacy or Bachelor of Pharmacy, D Pharm and B Pharm. What is the role of the Central Drug Laboratory? It tests drugs to ensure their quality as per the standards set by the Drug and Cosmetic Act. What is the key objective of the Medical Device Rules 2017? To regulate the manufacturing, sale and distribution of medical device. What is the punishment for halting the provision of Drug and Magic Remedies Act? What is the role of good manufacturing practice GMP in pharmaceutical to ensure that the drugs are produced and controlled to quality standard? Next, what is the function of the drug regulatory authorities? To regulate the import, manufacture, distribution and sale of drug in the country. What is the purpose of the biomedical waste management rules? Answer is to ensure safe and environmentally friendly disposal of biomedical waste including drugs. What does the term pharmacovigilance refers to? Answer is the practice of monitoring the safety of medicine and reporting adverse drug reaction. Who is authorized to grant permission for clinical trial in India? Answer the Drug Controller General of India, DCGI. What is Schedule S in the Drug and Cosmetic Act? It prescribes standard for cosmetic. What is Schedule S in the Drug and Cosmetic Act? Answer is it prescribes standard for cosmetic. Next question. What is the role of Pharmacy Practice Regulation 2015? What is the role of Pharmacy Practice Regulation PPR 2015? To regulate the roles, responsibility and conduct of pharmacists in India. Which act governs the import, manufacture and distribution of drug and cosmetic in India? Answer is the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. What does Schedule F of the Drug and Cosmetic Act deal with? Answer: standard for blood and blood product. What is the aim of Initial Component Act in relation of drug? To ensure the availability of initial drug at fair price. What does the term over-the-counter OTC drug means? Drug that can sold without a prescription. What is the purpose of good clinical practice guideline? To ensure ethical and scientific quality standard for conducting clinical trial. What is the role of the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority? To control and regulate the price of pharmaceutical drug in India. Which schedule of the Drug and Cosmetic Act contain guidelines for biological product like vaccine? Answer: Schedule C. What is the punishment for the sale of adulterated drug under the Drug and Cosmetic Act? What does Schedule P of the Drug and Cosmetic Act specify? The standard for the shelf life of drugs. What does the term CDSCO stand for? Center Drug Standard Control Organization. Center Drug Standard Control Organization. What is the key purpose of the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945? To provide detailed regulation for the enforcement of the Drug and Cosmetic Act. What is the role of Pharmacy Council of India? To regulate pharmacy education and profession of pharmacy in India. What does Schedule U of the Drug and Cosmetic Act regulate? Requirement for record and document related to the manufacturing of drug.